Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can earn with the help of Clickbank, and Clickbank is one of the world's biggest affiliate marketplace where you can find pretty much every kind of product which is of different kind of niche. And yes, if you are from this kind of countries like Pakistan, Netherlands, Bangladesh, so nothing to worry. This strategy will work pretty much everywhere. You have to find a relevant product which is according to your niche, and you can really promote with the help of this strategy. This is a free strategy what I'm going to show you, and you can really learn good amount of stuff. Okay, before jumping ahead, those people who are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh from Chowdhury.com, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and various other cool stuff by which you can generate your first income over online. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you smash the subscribe button and also press on bell icon so that whenever I release new videos, I can send notification to you people. First things first, this is a free traffic method, and this is really one of the method which I used from a long time, and I got pretty high results, and because the traffic is targeted. Okay, and yes, there is no guarantee that you will be earned within next day, but yes, if you consistently do it in maybe 7 days or 14 days, whatever step I am exactly going to show you, if you consistently do it, you can really make good amount of money within 7 days or maybe within 10 days. But the whole thing is up to you. The whole thing is up to your work culture, how much you are spending time, how much you are contributing time. And this strategy is only and only for people who don't have any money to spend for advertisement, to buy advertisement. Okay, but yes, I highly recommend, if you have little bit amount also, if you can spend money on advertisement, go for paid advertisement, because paid advertisement will give you instant boost. You can really monetize your any of the offer with the help of paid advertisement. Anyway, so thing is that you have to go to Clickbank, and the first step, you have to find a product which is relevant to your niche. For example, I am promoting one of my product what is relevant to dog training, and you can pretty much search everything and you will get lot of categories. There are a lot of categories. You can simply go to different kind of categories and you can find relevant type of product what is basically as per your niche, or maybe as per your interest level. Okay, and yes, as I said, if I am searching for any of the keyword, like for example dog training, and after that there will be lot of products, and I mentioned in this particular step over here, you have to find product what is relevant, or what is at least $75 or $75 to $100. At least you minimum go for $50 of product, because if you are promoting kind of a product which is $5 or $10, you won't make good amount of money. So after searching for dog training, this is a keyword, and after sorting it down with the help of gravity is indicating how much the product is performing and how other affiliates are earning with the help of this particular keyword. Okay, after sorting it out with the help of gravity, I found a product what is real $95. Means if I need to make $100, I only need to generate only one sale. That is pretty much okay, and this is particularly dog training product, and I found my product. Right, so now we have to go to next step. The next step is creating a lead capture page, because lead capture page is very important. Because if you are not building your emails, if you are not creating an email list, then you are losing lot amount of money, because there is a phrase money is in the list, and yes, it is correct. So you have to build email list, you need a funnel, and I highly recommend you to go to ClickFunnels. And in ClickFunnels you can create your email list, and with the help of different, there are a lot of email autoresponder like Aweber, GetResponse. But yes, don't use MailChimp. But if you don't have any money, then you can use MailChimp, and most probably up to 1,000 customers, up to 1,000 lists, they are free. But yes, I don't recommend MailChimp, because this is completely waste of time. Anyway, so once you create your lead capture page in ClickFunnels, and it is very easy, simple drag and drop tool. Next you have to find SEO based keyword. And why SEO based keyword, I'll come to this part later, but understand, you have to find SEO based keyword, means what people are searching. For example, if you go to Google and if you search for how to train a dog, because I am promoting a dog training product, that is a dog training course basically, and if you go to Google article, and if you simply search like how to train a dog, maybe for example at home, or maybe somewhere which is people are searching, you have to find a keyword which is relevant to your product and which people are searching. For example, this particular keyword people are searching, there is a reason why I am saying to use this kind of keyword to find this kind of relevant keyword what people are searching. I'll tell you the part later, but yes, simply you have to go to the keyword and you have to find one or two pages. Okay, so say something, for example, I have opened this particular page, and yeah, so this is the particular article, and you can really copy and paste everything. I'll show you exactly what you have to do. So now you have found your SEO based keyword. Now this is the second part, this is the almost traffic part. Traffic is most important, and as you are not paying in advertisement, you have to really put your energy every single day, then only you will be able to see the results. So if you go to, there is a two kind of website what I personally used. One is Life Journal, this is a blog, this is a kind of community, and one more website is Medium. Medium is also a community where people share their thought, where people share their words, and you can really do the same thing. I'll show you exactly what you have to do, and you can do the same thing. Okay, so now if I go to the traffic strategy, if I, this is a website similar web, and this shows the how much traffic this particular website Life Journal has received so far. You can see the total visitor is 103 millions. Okay, that is massive traffic, guys. Massive means massive traffic. In September, if I go to the statistics of September, in September they have received nearly around one 100, more than 100 millions. In in August it has received nearly around 109 millions. Huge, that is massive traffic. In the same way, if I just check the traffic strategies, traffic rate of particular website Medium, if you go to same similar way, and if you just simply see the total visitor of this particular website is 157 million. That is massive. If I go to September traffic, you can see 158 millions. Then again it's 154 millions. This is a pretty high traffic, and you can really convert if you do the same thing what I'll show you in this next part. So now you know what you have to do. You have found your traffic strategy. Now you have to promote your articles. So where you will promote your article, how you will do it? Say for example, I have just logged into my life journal account. In the same way, I have also logged into my Medium account, but make sure you just continue writing article in this particular website. Simple thing, you have to click on post new entry. Here also, in this is Live Journal website. Here also I'm creating on I'm clicking on new story. Okay, so I am creating contents in both the websites simultaneously. Okay, so for example, as I said, I have got one article, and now I have got one website where article is hosted. So you have to take the keyword, and this is the keyword, how to train a dog at home. You can just add little bit words here and there. I am copying pasting the same thing in both the websites. Okay, and why I said you have to take the SEO based keywords, because if you go to similar web, you can see the majority of the traffic is coming from search, means Google search. So people are searching this kind of keyword, and medium.com is high authority website, and people are finding this kind of articles. Okay, in the same way, this is the reason you have to just go for some kind of articles what people are searching, so that your article can be ranked on medium.com, or maybe it can be found on any of the Google. And as medium.com is high authority website, your article will be visible in front of a lot of customers, a lot of visitors, and these are all target traffic, because people are searching in Google because they have some issues. If someone is searching on Google how to train a dog at home, means the person is person has some buying intensity, and they want to know, they are in problem, and your article can rank, and you can really make good amount of money. Now, so what you have to do after coming to this particular article, so simply directly copy and paste. I'll show you, you won't have any issues with copyright and all. Simply directly copy and paste in both the websites. Yeah, simply copy and paste. Again here also you copy and paste. just copy paste, do some copy paste in couple of things, like for example here you can write this seat position, then you have to write it simultaneously do in both the websites. Again in medium also you have to just yeah, again copy paste. So I'm not going ahead anymore. So this is how you have to do, and after that you can just copy this URL and you can just write as some source. Okay, so you are giving credentiality to this particular website. You can link this particular link, yeah, you can just simply link it over here, and you are giving the credibility of this article from where you have copied. So there is no issues of copyright or something like that. Okay, you can directly just take the information and you can just copy paste. Okay, so there is no issues. And after that, once you write your article, then what you have to do, you have to go to Clickbank marketplace and you have to click on promote button. So once you click on promote button, then it will come with okay. So anyway, this vendor is, I have to just assign for this particular vendor, I have to register for this particular vendor. Anyway, there is no issues. You can some, for example, if I want to promote this particular article, then you have to give your nickname and you will get your hope link, that is your affiliate link, and you have to build your landing page with this particular affiliate link, and you have to give your landing page, for example. So after writing the article, what you have to do, you can write something like, for more details you can just find top trending program, or maybe you can just link it to your affiliate link, or maybe direct it will be my recommendation, you just add your own landing page link, not directly the link of ClickFunnels, or sorry, Clickbank. You can add the link of ClickFunnels landing page what you are going to create, and it is really easy. So what you have to do in order to generate $100 every single day, so initially for few days you won't have that much amount of traffic, but what is the strategy, you have to write minimum to minimum 10 to 15 articles on both the blogs, on both the platforms. So what you will do, you have to go to different kind of keywords, then you can find different kind of blogs what is already ranking on that particular keyword, and you can simply copy paste, give some credibility, then you are okay to go. And there you can add your affiliate link, and you can also add your own landing page link, so that you can really get their email address. And if needed, you can also do, you can just make some ebook, or you can download some PLR ebook, and you can give it for free of cost if you want. But yes, there is but there is necessity of landing page, because you have to collect the leads. Okay, you have to write minimum 10 to 15 answers every single day in both the platforms, and at least, and you can make sale on the second day, you can make sale on third day, or whatever. No, sale is not the guarantee, because it is free traffic and you are not paying anything, you are just investing your time if you don't have any money. Even if you don't know how to generate traffic from different of resources, even if you don't have any idea how to go, where to go, I don't have any clue, then you can just check out this particular program, that is affiliate bootcamp. It's 100 days massive affiliate marketing campaign, affiliate marketing training, where you will be able to learn how to create a campaign, how to create a landing page, how to make a visitor into customer. These are all, there is a lot of cool stuffs over here. I personally went through this particular training program. It is provided by Russell Brunson, and it's a product of ClickFunnels, and it's a 100 days free affiliate marketing training. So if you want to learn affiliate marketing, if you want to learn in-depth, if you want to have in-depth knowledge and how things works, how you can convert a visitor into your customer, traffic and conversion, this is the huge big game. You can learn various of things inside of this particular training, and it's completely free, you are not paying anything. I'll give you the link in the description. Make sure you just watch this particular training, and really you can make good amount of money if you follow each and every step. I hope I was able to give you a value in this video. Let me know if you have any concerns in the comment section below. Also, if you have not subscribed yet, make sure smash the subscribe button, and also press on bell icon, so that whenever I release new videos I can notify you people. So thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.